Hi, so a couple weeks ago I cut the runners off of my tower strawberries and I rooted them and transplanted them, and I wanted to show you the results of how those turned out. So this is what I ended up with from clippings off of the 3 strawberry plants in my tower garden. I ended up with 15 plants. One of them, it was 16, but this one just died yesterday. I've had them outside here in the sun for a couple days now, and they're actually looking very healthy. Look at that. They got some nice growth off there. One of them even started to flower, but that kind of let go over there. So this process turned out to be a winner, and I'm going to be doing it each year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.